Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
CEM ka KHADC uba Tito Starwell Khan ringkat bat ki MDC kilalet banyak Kynduh yu Myntri Rangbah ke jala ukandat ke sangma haringkat ke jingya dan lang bagi kenhun Myntri ke Sorkar jala Halor ke CRPC bat CPC. Nakaliang uba Tito sulaong bau Myntri Rangbah ulah keren syai balada pentrai kam ya ke CRPC ke CPC kanam ketak satyaya ke board jeng ki District Council Court ki Additional Subordinate Court bat ki Village Court bat ki pentrai kam bet kumba julong. Uba Tito sulaong bana kaliang ka KHADC kampat syem satyaya kanu garai habaya day bat kani. Uba Tito sulaong bana kaliang ki MDC ka KHADC kin saya Kynduh biang lasai ka sngi ha ka bakin sa syem ya karai ka bak Khadc Halor kani kamat. Nakaliang Myntri Rangbah ka jala ukandat sangmau loong bang Sorkar jala kelawan rakyat kani kamat lapalat laisien hapo kayong dorbar tauan bat kilaya keren bagi District Council la arsien ban penbet no ig jing song tho bakala ki badan. Myntri Rangbah ula ong ru baka jing penmi ig jing tho ha ka bayade baka CRPC bat ka CPC kadai tang ban pendap bat pentrai kam no ya ka jing pia ka executive na ka judiciary khanang bagi District Session Judge bat ki yang bichar kinla bantrai kam.
Regarding this entire issue of the CRPC and the notification that had come out. As you're aware that the state government and the cabinet had deliberated this particular issue more than 3 times in the cabinet, and also we have discussed this matter with the district council. This is the second time that we're having this meeting to clear off all the confusion or misunderstanding or differences that could be there. And the message that we have given to the district council is that the entire purpose of really coming out with this notification is to allow the judicial magistrate to continue the work and the functions that were being done by the ADC judiciary when the executive and judiciary was not segregated. That is the only intention and objective of this notification, nothing beyond that. And the question of diluting the powers of the district council or interfering in the village courts or changing the procedures in the district council is absolutely not there. So there's no question. The provisions and the powers of the district council courts are protected by the provisions in the constitution. And a notification, no matter how many times we may change things, the wording we may change, anybody can try to interpret the notification in any way. The most important protection that the district councils and the courts and district councils have is through the provisions of para 4 and 5 in the 6th schedule. And hence, no notification can supersede that. The intention and the spirit and objective of this notification is purely and purely simply to complete and regularize the process of separation from executive from the judiciary, so that now that ADC judiciary is not there anymore, the district session judge and the court can function and do their jobs as was being done by the ADC judiciary. So that was where conclusion was. There were concerns by the district council that the cases between tribals and tribals will now be shifted. We have very clearly said there's no question of that. Under para 4, it has been clearly defined that these kind of cases will be tried by the district council courts. So even if any notification or even if there's any kind of cases that were to go, the district council's courts will prevail and their stand will prevail because it is protected by the constitution. So these clarifications were made, and I'm pretty sure that after a number of rounds of discussion, I'm sure that the council also is more or less convinced, and we are moving ahead with this spirit and with this objective that the district council courts and their powers will not be diluted in any way. And this entire exercise is only to regularize the separation between the executive and the judiciary. Thank you very much.
Nakaliang kecungi ila dia biar discuss biar mentan ketika notification kepada government kepada jangan suka apa ni tu ini pa nakaliang kecungi mentan yang saya Kynduh saya kesini step nakaban sim ke final court kalau ini but hoy dapat suatu ini pa kum bakalong kani notification kanung ta ya ki district council court kecungi nanti ki subordinate court bat kunjung di village court. Kabamut hi ka CRPC bat CPC kanum apply ha ki court kecungi. Namar bangi ngidon ya ka constitutional provision ya ka kum ka para court para 5 ka constitution. Debat ha bajing ada ru bat ki case kiba They have dengan tribal bagi tribal ni, ka trial kadang dehi bagi district council court. Ini di district session court kinumla pan try ya ke jinga dehi have dengan tribal. Wilayah Rangbah namar ba ngamkwa ang ni ban keren bagi ni legal aspect legal matters kiba ladangi issue expose akan notification ru teng kala ban manra ka misinterpretation dan kadang-kadang ngi kuat ba notification ni kan long simple nang ba kan nomuan rapat ka misinterpretation dah kumui pa ho ya kataro la pan sya yangi ba kan nom dilute ya ka powers ka jungi namar bale kum kalau ong iti ba ka powers ka jungi ka district council court bagi additional subordinate court bagi village court kintri kam kumba jutre kuat kum ka spirit jongka CRPC kabamun ka in letter kan nom apply.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.